Hey traders, worried about the security of your Binance account? Today I'll show you how to freeze your withdrawals quickly and easily. First things first, activate two-factor authentication or 2FA. Head over to your Binance app or download Google Authenticator. Trust me, this step is crucial in keeping your account secure. Next, let's navigate to the Security tab in your account settings. Here, you'll find the Withdrawal Whitelist feature. By turning this on, you can limit withdrawals to only specific approved wallet addresses. This means even if someone gains access to your account, they can't send your funds anywhere you haven't approved. Now let's talk about the withdrawal lock. This feature is a lifesaver if suspicious activity is detected. Any changes to your security settings will automatically suspend withdrawals for 24 to 48 hours. This gives you enough time to secure your account and prevent unauthorized transactions. Got an urgent issue? Don't stress. You can contact Binance's customer support for immediate assistance in freezing withdrawals. They're available around the clock to help you out. All right, quick recap. Activate 2FA, enable the withdrawal whitelist to limit addresses, and turn on withdrawal lock for added security. Stay vigilant and keep your assets safe. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped you. Stay secure and happy trading.